Busy Phillips has a talk show coming out this week. That's right, this week. So I did the cover of The Cut with Busy Phillips, and a lot of people were asking me about the look. So I was gonna recreate it for you using a couple different things, but you guys will get the idea. So join me as we create the no makeup look with Busy Phillips. The most important thing about this look is hydrating your skin. I'm talking masks, serums, creams, everything. First thing we're gonna put on is our Bitary Balm de Rose, and it feels oh so good on the lips. Next we're gonna use Joanna Vargas Rescue Serum. 1, 2, 3, 4. It says 1 to 2, but we gotta be super hydrated. This is an oil, but we're just gonna use it for its illuminating properties. Next, I'm also gonna take the Joanna Vargas Daily Hydrating Cream. Oh, it smells so good. And this is really good for all skin types. Next, we're gonna put on a mask. Now, the day that we shot this, we actually did 2 or 3 masks. So I'm gonna be using the Patchology Kim Chi Mask. If you are a RuPaul's Drag Race fan, you know who Kim Chi is, and I actually reached out to them to get some of these, but this has hyaluronic acid and a ceramide NP, which is super hydrating. So we did this, we're gonna take it off. We are so hydrated, it's crazy. Then I'm gonna take this Shiseido Wrinkle Resist. It's a pure retinol smoothing mask, but these are really wet. So then we put these on. You can take any of the leftover from the mask and really just get it in there. Another product that I'm really obsessed with, it's called the DermalQuench Wrinkle Warrior. Plumping treatment, advanced hydrating treatment. And get it in there. My face might like disappear because it has so much stuff on it. So now we're gonna do a brow. I'm using an Anastasia brow definer in soft brown. And I'm just gonna kind of make like a straight line. And then I'm gonna fill in the bottom. I'm just gonna go straight like this. And the same on the top. And then bring it all down. And then fill it in. And maybe just brush it to give it a little bit more natural feel. Busy has like really amazing brows, and so we're just like recreating those a little bit. So the great thing about cleaning your kit out is that it puts stuff in smaller stuff and it's lighter, but then I put it in this and it says MAC, but I didn't put the color. It's a cream shadow by MAC, a taupe color. And I'm just gonna place it all over the lid and a little bit up, like that, just with my finger. So as you can see, what I did, I used this cream because I wanted it to really adhere and look like it's the color of my skin. I didn't want it to look fake, but it creates a really nice, you know, kind of moister eyelid. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of color over it. We're gonna use MAC Kid over it. Now again, I'm gonna use my hand because I feel like I can really get in there and press onto the cream and really make it so that there's no other texture going on. Like I want it to look like this is the color of my eye. And there we go. So it's just like this really pretty taupe color, super natural. Next, we're gonna fill in the lash line. I love using this Laura Mercier brush. It's a flat eyeliner brush. And we're gonna put cream on it and then stick it right in where the sun don't shine, under our eyes. Now I'm gonna take the Makeup Forever Aqua Black, which comes in like this. It's the Aqua Black Waterproof Cream Eyeshadow, but I use it as a liner. So we're just gonna dip it in here. Here we go. Curl up your eye and you're gonna press it right where your lashes come out, underneath. Now when you're doing a no makeup look, this is a great trick because you can pretend like you're wearing an eyeliner and you're not at all. I almost forgot, I did pump up the eyeshadow one more. I used Brown Script by MAC, which is this like, it's like an orange brown. And I took the 217 brush, which is this fluffy brush, and a little bit of the color, and then I washed it all over, and this kind of just really made everything pop. So remember, when you're taking pictures and stuff, have to pump it up a little bit more because there's a lot of flashing and there's a lot of lights, and you just want to make sure you get the perfect, you know, it's supposed to look really natural, but you might lose stuff when you're shooting. Next, you want to find a mascara that's gonna crush the game. There's so many that I love right now, but right now I'm gonna reach for, the first one that came out was Wander Beauty in Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara, so let's use that one. We're just gonna coat the lashes. Busy has amazing lashes. We don't normally do fake lashes on her, but sometimes we do. Then we take this little mini Troy Surratt and go in and do a second coat, really making sure that they're like laid individually. And then you can really get in at the root and coat all of them. I love these little brushes because you have so much more control. I love it. Now we'll take these off. No more wrinkles. Look at all the wrinkles are gone. It's kind of crazy. Temporarily. Yeah. All right, then we're gonna take a little bit of black mascara and go underneath. Great, we'll let that dry. Going to use the Becca Instant Complexion Refresh. I'm just gonna put a little bit right here. This has like a purple undertone, so if you're dealing with a little sallowness, it'll cancel that out. Also, it has like a glow to it, so it makes your skin look even more hydrated if that's possible. Now I'm going to use some Kojendo Moisture Foundation. When you're trying to look like you're not wearing much, literally by just moving with the brush and then pressing, you're working the foundation to be like a natural skin, which I love. Next, I'm gonna use Wander Beauty's On the Glow Blush. So you're just gonna take a nude glow, and like I said, sometimes using your hands can be the best scenario here because you really want everything to look pressed into the skin and super natural. Now we're gonna do this pink to create this like real pop of flush, and then we're gonna go over it. This is Tom Ford Sunstruck, so it's like this peachy color. And then I'm gonna place those also on my cheeks and use my hand to blend those in. And then I'm taking this nude color, it's called Lilium by Stila. And then also just working that. I mean, who would think it would take this many steps for a natural look? We're gonna use a little concealer. I'm using the NARS Medium. And again, I'm using my fingers. My ring finger is my weakest, so around the eyes I like to use that. And I'm just kind of pressing it in to the under eye area. Then what I'm gonna do is take the La Mer pressed powder, and I'm going to only hit the T-zone. So here, here, and here. Keeping everything else super moist. I'm gonna go back into the MAC, into this color, and I'm gonna go swipe under the eyes. So you have this kind of connected eye. Touching up a little bit. I feel like Bob Ross right now. Okay, we have this really natural look. And now I'm gonna add some lips. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Kidman's Kiss. And there it is. And then you wanna kind of blot. Everything needs to be blotted, and then take a little of that blot and put it on your cheeks because it's whatever day it is. Hey! So there it is, guys. This is the cover of The Cut with Busy Phillips. Obviously, Busy looks like way prettier. Just kidding, not hating myself, but just saying like it looks very different. But this is how you do it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. and comment below with what else you'd like to see, and have a great day, and love you, mean it, and bye.